Hello everyone! Today we'll introduce a compact and affordable motherboard Asus H81M-K made in the format Micro ATX. This card is one of the most affordable Micro ATX models in the range of Taiwanese company. At the average cost of about $55, it offers a number of significant advantages, such as support for modern interface USB 3.0 and SATA 6 GB per second, high performance, as well as some useful brand technologies. Also, this model is made on the basis of the younger chipset Intel H81 and as a result has a low final cost. The front side of the package has the mention about the use of chips of electrostatic discharge protection and the support for a number of brand technologies, user-friendly interface UEFI BIOS and the operating system Windows 8.1. On the reverse side of the package you can find an image of the motherboard and its brief technical specification, as well as the list of supported technologies and features. The box of the Asus H81M-K contains only the most required accessories, namely driver and utilities CD, user manual, 2 SATA cables and interface panel plug. New product is made on a compact dark brown PCB in a format Micro ATX, that means 226 to 175 mm. Bright colors in its design are brought due to the expansion slots, painted in yellow color, which makes the image of the motherboard more interesting. The arrangement of onboard elements is realized at the high level. Therefore, you won't have any significant problems with this aspect, because all of the ports are located at the optimal positions closer to the edge of the board. The discomfort can cause only the close proximity of DIMM slots and connector PCI Express 2.0x16. That means you need to previously disable the video card in order to extract the memory modules. At the bottom of the board there are the following connectors: module for connection of the front panel audio sockets, SPDIF out, CMOS, as well as the front panel connection module. Also, here are 2 modules for connection of interfaces USB 2.0. The total number of USB 2.0 sockets is 6. Also, here you can find 2 USB 3.0 ports. The realization of disk subsystem is presented by 2 ports SATA 3 GB per second of yellow color and 2 SATA 2 of dark brown color. The model is equipped with 2 DIMM slots for memory modules of DDR3 standard that are equipped with latches from both sides. The cooling system of this motherboard consists of one aluminum radiator. In the process of testing, the following temperature values were fixed. The results can be described as average because there is a reserve up to critical values. CPU power is carried out by 3-phase scheme for cores and additional modes. In order to extend the functionality of the board, the user has 3 PCI slots, which include one PCI Express 2.0x16 for installation of video card. To support network connection, there is a gigabit LAN controller Realtek 8111G, and the utility Network Eye Control allows to control network resources in real time. Sound subsystem is based on the 8-channel HDA codec Realtek ALC887, which supports audio formats up to 7.1. Interface panel includes the following ports: 1 DVI-D, 1 DS-UB, 2 BS2, 1 LAN, 2 USB 3.0, 2 USB 2.0 and 3 audio jacks. Such arrangement could be described as quite decent as for the inexpensive motherboard. As for features, you should note the inconvenient connection of multi-channel speakers and the absence of HDMI. The board has 2 4-pin connectors, one of which is designed to cool the CPU, while the second is designed for system fans. The tested product uses a modern preloader based on graphic processor UEFI. Here you can control the settings using the mouse, and it offers two main ways of use: EZ mode, where all the necessary settings are grouped in a single screen, or the usual advanced mode, where all settings are in certain tabs. Memory frequency multiplier allows you to set the speed of the connected modules in the range of 800 to 1600 MHz. The maximum frequency of the memory is the value of 1600 MHz, but the manual or automatic overclocking of this motherboard is not possible. During testing the motherboard, Asus H81M-K has proved itself to be a good solution that combines not only the affordable price, but also a decent quality of modern equipment. The main advantages include the implementation of interfaces SATA 6GB per second and USB 3.0, compact size and nice design. As for features, before buying, don't forget about the inconvenient connection of multi-channel speakers, the presence of only two DIMM slots for memory modules, as well as the use of electrolytic capacitors in the secondary power circuits. As a result, Asus H81M-K is quite interesting model in its class. It will be a good product for a basis of the compact office or a school computer, multimedia or gaming systems in entry-level computers. Detailed review of motherboard is available on the IT portal gaset.com by clicking the link in the video description. See you soon, and don't forget to subscribe to our portal.